So what can we do when we are inside the edit mode? For example, you see everything is selected. Like with selecting an object, Blender behaves the same with selecting the vertices. For example, I can click on each black dot and you see that that dot is highlighted, and then the connecting edges are kind of like fading out as well. With Shift select, so Shift left click, I can add more points to my selection or remove points from my selection. I can also, as a fresh up, press C. For example, left click, paint a selection, or middle mouse button, reduce that selection. Or press B and draw a selection over it, press B and then middle mouse button, draw over that selection again to remove everything. You might have also noticed where my mouse is right now when I switch between object and edit mode, that in edit mode the layers are gone and replaced by those three icons here. Those three icons stand for Vertex select, Edge select, and Face select. So what does this mean? Well, if I have 2 points selected that are next to each other, I also have the edge in between selected. See, all those black lines are actually edges. So if I select 4 edges, you see that the surface in between is being highlighted because that is now a face. So that means in reverse, one face contains 4 edges, and 4 edges contain 4 points. And then those points I can, for example, move, or I could scale, or I could, for example, rotate. So all the transformation tools I could apply to an object, I can now here apply to the geometry of my object. And based on what I have selected, I can move, rotate, or scale those.